Hello everybody and welcome to this video, and today I would like to present a problem to you, a chess problem, which Garry Kasparov, one of the greatest chess players of all time, had great problems with solving. So what is this all about? The problem is as follows. We have the starting position and now 5 moves happen, and then black will checkmate the white king by having a knight on h1. So white to move, of course, as always in chess. 5 moves happen and black checkmates with a knight on h1. Alright, so what is it? Well, I'm going to show you in a moment. If you want to, you can stop the video and think about it. This is a lot about creativity, and for you guys out there who love riddles, this is a chess riddle, and there is of course a solution, but it's not easy to figure out. And as I show more and more moves, I'll also give some tips. Okay, so we want this knight to end up here. Alright, let's see the first moves, okay? And then I'll stop again to ask the question. e4, knight f6. Of course, this is not too hard, right? You know that the knight pretty much has to play 4 moves to get to h1. f6, and then there are various ways, either e4 or h5, and then f2 or g3, and then h1. So that's 4 moves. And then you have one other move to play. And of course the difficult part is, what is white doing in the meantime? How is he setting up the checkmate, right? So I'll tell you the second move. It's f3. Knight takes e4. And here let's pause again. So now it's only 3 moves left. White plays 3 moves, black plays 3 moves, and it's checkmate. So here again you can take a moment, pause the video, and try to figure it out. Still not that easy, but of course easier than it was from the starting position. Okay, so the next move is queen to e2. Knight g3. Okay, now I give you one more chance. If you want to solve it from here, just 2 moves. I'm pretty sure you can figure it out. Just take some time. I know you can figure it out from here. Okay, so now white takes on e7 with check. Black takes back with check. The king is very helpful, goes to f2, and black delivers checkmate on h1. Tough one. Tough problem, but it's really a good way to practice creativity in chess, and I like these kind of riddles. So if you have any more of those and would like to share them with me, you can do it in the comments. Also be curious how you like these kind of chess problems, chess riddles, if you would like to see more of them. And then I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.